Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the world of meditation. And learn how to meditate for beginners right in the comfort of your own home. Meditation is a powerful practice that can help you find inner peace, reduce stress, and improve your overall well-being. So let's get started. Before we dive into the techniques, let's address a common problem beginners often face. Many beginners struggle with calming their mind and focusing during meditation. They find it challenging to let go of their thoughts and worries, leading to frustration and discouragement. But fear not, for there is a simple solution. The key is to start with a beginner-friendly meditation technique called focused breathing. This technique allows you to anchor your attention on your breath, helping you stay present and centered. Find a quiet and comfortable spot in your home. Sit on a cushion or a chair with your back straight and your palms resting on your thighs. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose. And slowly exhale through your mouth. As thoughts arise, simply acknowledge them without judgment and gently return your attention to your breath. Remember, it's completely normal for your mind to wander. With practice, you'll gradually develop better focus and inner clarity. Start with short meditation sessions of 5 to 10 minutes and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. Consistency is key, so try to establish a regular meditation routine. Congratulations, you've taken the first step towards a calmer and more mindful life. Remember, meditation is a journey, and every session is an opportunity to cultivate inner peace and self-awareness. Stay patient, be kind to yourself, and allow the benefits of meditation to unfold naturally. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content.